Are you tired of soggy, unevenly cooked pizzas or waiting ages for delivery that never quite hits the mark? This Pronto outdoor portable pizza oven Pizzacraft 14-inch cordierite pizza stone is here to revolutionize your pizza nights. This gas-powered, propane-fueled oven brings restaurant-quality results to your backyard, campsite, or tailgate. With its ability to heat up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit and cook a pizza in just 5 minutes, this compact powerhouse delivers crispy, stone-baked perfection every time. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or a casual home cook, this oven solves common cooking frustrations with ease, making it a must-have for anyone craving authentic, Neapolitan-style pies. Why the Pizzacraft Pronto stands out. The Pizzacraft Pronto isn't just another outdoor pizza oven, it's a thoughtfully designed, portable marvel that tackles the biggest pain points of homemade pizza making. From uneven cooking to long preheating times, this oven addresses it all with innovative features and user-friendly design. Powered by propane, it offers reliability and consistency as noted by experts who praise gas ovens for eliminating variables like inconsistent wood or pellet heat. Its compact size, lightweight build, and ability to cook pizzas in just 5 minutes make it a standout choice for both beginners and seasoned pizza chefs. Key features of the Pizzacraft Pronto Outdoor Pizza Oven. ThermaBond cordierite baking stones. The dual 14-inch stones use exclusive ThermaBond technology to eliminate thermal shock, ensuring durability and consistent heat retention for flawless pizzas on both the oven and grill. High cooking temperatures, reaches over 700 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for authentic Neapolitan-style pizzas with crispy, leopard-spotted crusts in just 5 minutes. Quick preheat and easy operation. Preheats in 10 minutes with a matchless starter and built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, making it beginner-friendly. Portable and lightweight, at just 12 kilograms, it's easy to carry with a design safe for any surface, ideal for tailgating, camping, or home use. Energy-efficient design, runs for 25 hours on a 20 pounds propane tank, capable of cooking over 250 pizzas. The heat-containing visor and moisture vent ensure efficient cooking and prevent sogginess. Versatile accessories, includes a 48-inch gas hose, standard regulator, and a rain cap that doubles as a 1-pound propane tank holder. Optional accessories like the Pizzacraft leg kit, pizza peel, and protective cover enhance functionality. Benefits that elevate your pizza game. 1. Restaurant quality results at home. Achieve crispy, stone-baked pizzas with perfectly melted cheese and evenly cooked toppings, rivaling your favorite pizzeria without the hefty delivery fees. 2. Time-saving convenience. With a 10-minute preheat and 5-minute cook time, you can whip up multiple pizzas quickly, making it perfect for entertaining or busy weeknights. 3. Portability for any adventure. Its lightweight, compact design lets you bring pizzeria-quality pizza to campsites, tailgates, or backyard barbecues, impressing friends and family wherever you go. Why choose the Pizzacraft Pronto over competitors? Compared to pricier models like the Coda 16 or Gosney Rockbox, the Pizzacraft Pronto offers exceptional value at a lower price point, around $280, often less during sales. While competitors like the Coda 16 boast larger cooking surfaces or higher temperatures, up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, the Pronto's 700 degrees Fahrenheit capability is more than sufficient for Neapolitan-style pizzas, and its dual-layer cordierite stones provide superior heat retention compared to single-stone designs. The Pronto's smaller oven mouth, while requiring a narrower pizza peel, max 12.5 inches, helps maintain consistent high temperatures, ensuring reliable results. Its portability and energy efficiency, 25 hours on a 20 pounds tank, make it a practical choice for frequent use, unlike heavier models like the Gosney Dome, which require longer preheat times. Real-world performance. What users love. Testing reveals the Pronto's strengths shine in real-world scenarios. In a breezy 45 degrees Fahrenheit outdoor setting, it reached the optimal 700 degrees Fahrenheit in about 20 minutes, producing 4 pizzas with varying crust thicknesses and toppings in just an hour. Each pizza cooked in 5 to 6 minutes with 1 mid-cook turn, delivering consistent, crispy results. The built-in thermometer, while occasionally off by up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit compared to an infrared thermometer, simplifies monitoring. Though investing in a high-quality pizza oven thermometer like the Fireboard 2 Pro is recommended for precision, Users on platforms like Amazon give it high marks, 85% Führer, 5-star reviews, praising its ease of use and delicious outcomes, though some note the narrow oven mouth requires practice to maneuver pizzas without sliding off the back. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience. The Pizzacraft Pronto Outdoor Portable Pizza Oven is more than just an appliance, it's a ticket to unforgettable pizza nights with family and friends. Its combination of ThermaBond technology, high cooking temperatures, and portable design ensures you can enjoy authentic, pizzeria-quality pizzas anywhere, anytime. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, camping under the stars, or tailgating with friends, this oven delivers consistent, delicious results that will have everyone asking for seconds. Don't settle for mediocre delivery or lackluster homemade pizzas. Upgrade to the Pizzacraft Pronto and become the pizza hero of your crew. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.